Imagine creating a personal brand without showing your face. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you how thousands of people are turning AI creators into real cash flow. And you can start doing it too, with free tools at your fingertips. Stick around because you won't want to miss how you can be part of this AI revolution. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You already know I'm all about helping you build wealth online and tapping into the power of AI tools. And today, we're going deeper into one of the most bizarre yet mind-blowing opportunities I've come across in the online space: AI creators. We're talking about how people are making insane money by creating AI-generated personal brands. Yes, you heard that right. And it's all happening on subscription platforms where fans pay to access exclusive content. If you're not already intrigued, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind with how you can start generating income using AI creators. AI has taken over in 2025, and if you haven't noticed, it's reshaping everything online. Whether it's automating tasks, boosting productivity, or creating content, AI's everywhere. But today, we're focusing on something wild: AI creators. Some of you may already know where I'm going with this, but for those who don't, let me break it down. Meet Itana Lopez, a completely AI-generated influencer with 350,000 followers on Instagram. Every image, every video, 100% AI. It's all created using generative AI, which predicts and generates content with machine learning. This is how entire personal brands are coming to life without a single human being involved. And it's not just about static images. These AI creators are also crushing it on TikTok and Instagram Reels with realistic content that could easily pass as human-made. So that's the world of AI creators. But let's talk about the platform that's making it all happen. You've probably heard of platforms like OnlyFans, Patreon, and Fansly, right? These are subscription services where creators get paid by fans for access to exclusive content. But here's the catch. What if I told you AI creators are making more money than real-life influencers on these platforms? Yep, you heard that right. Some people are making millions on subscription platforms by using AI creators, and you don't even have to be a supermodel to do it. I'm talking about anyone, whether you're 40 years old, sitting in your mom's basement, or just someone with a computer and internet connection, you can tap into this opportunity. Now, here's where things get interesting. OnlyFans? They're not allowing AI creators, but there's one platform that's saying, bring it on, and that's Fanview. Fanview is leading the way in the subscription space by welcoming AI creators with open arms. While other platforms shy away from it, Fanview gives you the freedom to build and monetize AI-generated content. If you're thinking, how can I get started? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Creating an AI creator doesn't require a tech degree or years of experience. In fact, I've partnered up with Imagine Education, the ultimate course that will guide you step by step to building your own AI creator. You'll learn how to create your model, launch it on Fanview, and start making money. And guess what? Right now, you can grab 85% off the course, from $47 down to just $7. Check out the link in the description to get started. Once you've created your AI model, you'll be able to upload it, market it, and start earning from it on platforms like Fanview. And don't worry. If you're new to marketing, Imagine Education's got you covered with pro tips on how to drive traffic and grow your subscriber base. Now that your AI creator is up and running, you're probably wondering, how do I actually make money from this? Here's the deal. Start by cross-promoting on social media, shout out for shout out with creators in your niche. Post engaging content on Instagram and Twitter. Use catchy captions to drive people to your Fanview page. Create TikToks with your AI creator, joining trends and viral challenges. AI TikToks are blowing up this year. The beauty of AI creators is that you don't need to be famous. With the right marketing strategy and a solid personal brand, you can pull in subscribers and start generating serious income. So what's the bottom line? AI creators are exploding in 2025, and if you've been looking for a way to tap into this wave, now's the time. With platforms like Fanview, you can start creating, marketing, and monetizing your own AI model with ease. And don't forget to check out Imagine Education, the course that'll help you get everything set up. Remember, the 85% discount won't last forever. Let me know in the comments, Would you want to see me create my own AI model and document the whole process? I think it could be a lot of fun and maybe even a money-making experiment. And that's it for today's video. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the game in learning how to leverage AI for online income in 2025. I hope you're as excited about the potential of AI creators as I am. It's truly a game changer. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about AI creators? Would you give this method a try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you'd like me to create a follow-up video showing the step-by-step process to build an AI creator from scratch. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video about the latest online trends and AI tools.